Just do a normal intro without being carried away, girl. Calm down. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome, and if you're returning back, one love. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe down below. It means a lot to me. So today I have a full face makeup tutorial for you guys. Bare face, no eyebrows, nothing, just bare face. And I'm also going to be doing first impression on the foundation, which I really want for so long. Order it online because I wasn't sure on my shade. Buying a foundation online and later return it is I don't have that time, okay? So like I said on my last video, I went to Paris, so I had the opportunity to get one, and which is the Kat Von D Lucky Tattoo foundation, and in the shade Deep Warm number 76. Came with a packaging, so I see no reason why should I bring the package not online on camera. So I decided to hold it lightly because it's super duper pretty. Yeah, that is it. Let's see how it's going to, I have to shake it before. Let's see how it's going to work on my skin. I'm going to be using Real Technique sponge to apply this on my skin. The foundation, I already shake it, okay? You just have to remove it like this. So just have to shake it, and it claims it's a full coverage foundation. And yeah, before I apply the foundation, of course I moisturize my skin 1 hour before. So I'm going to be using the Givenchy Mr. Matte's Mattifying Foundation Primer. I'm just going to apply on my T-zone, my nose area, and my cheekbone. Apply it like so. One pump on this side, and second pump on the other side. It's a little bit red, but it's bearable, which I can deal with it. I'm not mad at all with how it looks like on my skin. It blends super well. My skin is a little bit in yellow side, and while the foundation is a bit red, and which, like I said, which I'm not mad at all because I can build it with other products. I love about this foundation, the smell is just so amazing, so natural. It smells so very natural. It's not so much, there's not so much perfume. It's not heavy. It's not heavy. I don't really have that dark spot, but it covers all my little bit of dark circles I have. So yup. I'm going to be setting my foundation. I do love to set my foundation. I'm going to be using the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. And to bring the shade a little bit down because it's too light for me. I hate so bright highlights. I hate it a lot. I'm going to be using the Ellie Girl concealer in the medium beige. So I don't know, there's sometimes when there's some kind of highlighter concealer I used is burning me, and I don't know why. Blend out my concealer. I'm going to be using the DipBrow Beauty Blender. This is my Ride or Die applicator, okay? I'm going to be using this MAC contour stick, and this is a Matchmaster concealer in number 24. There's no shade on it. I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. So what I do firstly, I do set it with a face powder. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me matte+proeless. So, and in the number 350. So I'm just going to just one buff like this. The reason why I'm doing it because I notice anytime I apply just the setting powder, it's just kind of ashy and being crazy. And I'm going to be setting my contour. I'm just going to bronze my skin. I'm going to be using the GLAM Terracotta in Ebony. I'm just going to bronze my face with that. It's a round brush. Normally I use it to set my highlight, but it's okay, it's all good. So guys, to set my highlight, I'm going to be using this Sacha Buttercup. Done with setting, I'm just going to move straight to my brow. I'm just going to be doing my brow right away. So the product I'm going to apply on my brow is the Anastasia DipBrow pomade in the shade Ebony. I'm taking this cosmetic angle brush. I'm just going to use it to apply. Applying this product, you really need to be careful, soft-handed, because it's really very pigmented and a little goes a long way. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to take just a wipe just to, you know, dust it out a little bit. I'm going to be taking this Floma concealer and taking this body soap angle brush. To my eyes, I'm just going to be taking the same concealer I used to highlight under my eye, and this is the Early Girl measuring before. I'm just going to apply that to my eye. This is going to be my eyeshadow primer. Okay, to go straight ahead, just apply the eyeshadow on top. I'm going to be using this Miss Bella from BH Cosmetics. So I'm just going to take this shade right here. I don't even know which shade I'm going for, like seriously, I don't even know. I don't know. I'm taking this shade right here called Bella, or I should use Glamour Cocoa. Now I'm going to use Glamour Cocoa, this one right here. This color is so beautiful. And I'm going to be spraying my brush with Urban Decay All Night makeup spray. I'm just going to spray it like so. For a little bit of drama, I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Pure Girl. I'm just going to take this shade. This is kind of matte. Wow, this is not what I want. No. I'm going to be spraying this brush again because it's going to mess me up. I don't want that. I'm going to be taking this shade called Lumoise, this one right here. Just going to apply this on top. Just going to kind of give it that halo look. Cook it out. I'm going to be taking this shade called Vino. I'm taking this round pointed brush. I'm just going to smoke out the edges like so. Just going to blend it out like so. So guys, to blend everything together for any ash line, I'm going to be taking this shade. It has no name, but it said 50/50. So this shade right here, blend it together. I'm loving this look. Look. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to be taking this shade. I'm going to be taking Bella, this one right here. I'm going to be taking Bella. I'm just going to apply that on my brow bone. Lower lash line later, but firstly I just have to buff up this excess powder. We are not going to be needing anymore, but to do that I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Fits Me Plus Pro-less powder. Just going to dab it like so, and this like this. So guys, to wing out my eye, I'm going to be using the Maybelline eyeliner. Now we apply the base. I'm going to go ahead and apply the Maybelline gel liner. In the same shade I used to smoke out my outer corner. So guys, for blush, I'm going to be taking this matte blush called Gleeful. And before any other thing, I'm just going to be spraying my face before sponge, just to make everything in place. And this helps a lot, keeps your makeup really intact for long. For long you have your makeup on. So for highlights, I'm going to be using this Bobbi Brown called Raw Sugar. This is my oldie but goodie highlight. I'm taking this Bobbi Brown eye blender brush. I'm just going to swap it like so. Then see, I'm not applying lipstick. I'm just going to go straight ahead and apply this MAC lip gloss in number 10. There is no name, but it's kind of a bronzy lip gloss. I don't want something on my lips any color at all. So of course I'm going to be setting my brow. I'm using the Alveda brown gel number 2. I'm just going to set my brow in place, just like so. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this look. Like, I must say, this Kat Von D Lucky Tattoo foundation is hands down. I really recommend it to oily skin because it's super matte and dry. I know I do use mattifying primer, but it's a good product. Like seriously, it's really matte and lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Till now I still feel I don't have foundation on my skin. I only apply some Vavavu highlights and blush and all those good stuff, okay? But I love it. For now I'm going to be using it not every day, maybe sometimes, because it's quite expensive, so I don't have to use it all the time. Okay, I'm loving this look. I'm feeling myself, feeling. I'm feeling myself. Anyway guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next. Okay, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care. Ciao.